So Warren Buffett is quoted as saying, rule number one of investing, never lose money. And rule number two, never forget rule number one. So what he didn't say, though, Bernadette, was how do we follow this rule? He didn't give us a roadmap or plan. So how do you follow Warren Buffett rules?
Look, I see this quite a bit because, you know, in our business, you can get into trouble pretty quickly. You know, the market only has to have a sniffle. And, you know, if you're planning or working on a flipping strategy, you know, if the market flinches a bit, then you get to sale and you can't get your sale price. But I believe that whatever you buy into, you need to really workshop the downside. Because I know a lot of times we'll say, you know, if it doesn't sell or if this goes wrong, we'll just rent it out. But what doesn't happen is working out what that looks like. Can you afford to rent it out and hold it? I completely agree with Warren Buffett that you shouldn't sell, you know, against your wishes. You shouldn't sell because you have to. But that means being really, creating a really robust plan B. And it's not just a throwaway item. It's sit down, work out what the return is on that property on long term, work out what it is on short term so that you really know if you're in that situation that you can actually afford to hold that property. Does that make sense?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.